When it comes to metalworking, you want precision, expertise, craftsmanship, and a range of tooling and equipment that can tackle your project with speed and accuracy. And that is exactly what Fortech Industries offers its clients and customers. A family-owned company with years of experience, Fortech Industries is staffed by talented, hardworking, and dedicated individuals who love to tackle new projects and who bring to every project a sense of expertise and perspective that is hard to find anywhere else. Whether you need something simple or a complex 5-axis part for aerospace applications, Fortech Industries has the tools, machines, and the talent to get the job done within spec and on time. If you found yourself continually disappointed in the past, contact Matt, the owner of Fortech Industries, to put your concerns at ease. Matt is super easy to work with and has deep knowledge of the industry. He'll walk you through even the toughest projects. Matt stands behind every part Fortech makes. Fortech Industries can work directly with customers to gain a deeper understanding of client needs, as well as potentially identify any potential issues as quickly as possible. When the team goes to production, things are as smooth as can be, and they are masters at designing tooling and processes that can accommodate your needs as a client. The services offered here include CNC 5-axis milling, CNC turning and milling, as well as gear cutting, welding, laser engraving, 3D printing, heat treating, and finishing. For quality control, Fortech uses high-precision optical comparators, as well as coordinate measuring machines with pinpoint accuracy to catch any defects or errors. Matt guarantees you will be satisfied with your final product from Fortech Industries and is looking forward to putting the team's expertise to work for you. Contact Matt today at 708-822-2201 to get your project started.